ask you a painful question. Have you ever made good sales this month but still couldn't pay rent, salaries, supply bills, or even fuel your car? Or your business is busy every day, customers are buying, but you are constantly broke? If yes, listen carefully, because the problem is not that your business is not selling. The real problem is cash flow. And today, I'm going to show you why Nigerian SMEs keep running out of money and the exact steps you can use to fix it permanently.
Welcome to Taisha Associates, your trusted partner for SME accounting and financial success.
A business owner in Nigeria running an e-commerce business, a private clinic, a school, a real estate business, an agri business, a digital agency, or any small and medium enterprise, cash flow issues will eventually show up. And many businesses don't die because they are not profitable. They die because they don't have cash when it is needed. Today, I break down cash flow management in a simple way and give you a step-by-step method you can implement immediately. Why SMEs run out of money? The real reason. Let's start with the truth. Most small businesses fail financially because they confuse profit with cash. Here is the simplest way to understand it. Profit is what you calculate on paper. Cash is what you can actually spend. For example, you sell goods worth 2 million this month, but your customers paid you only 800,000 now and promised to pay the remaining later. Your expenses are salaries, diesel, rent, logistics, subscriptions, tax payments, supplier bills. So even though your sales look good, your cash is low. That's how businesses collapse. The 3 cash flow killers destroy Nigerian small medium enterprises. Cash flow killer number 1, selling on credit too much. In Nigeria, credit is a trap. Schools collect fees gradually, cleaning street patients on IOU, agro businesses supply distributors on credit, agencies do jobs and wait for 30 to 90 days. Meanwhile, your suppliers want cash now. This is the fastest way to run out of money. Cash flow killer number 2, no separation between business and personal money. This one is deadly. Many SMEs owners see business money to pay house rent, pay children's school fees, buy a new phone, fund weddings, buy land. Even if the business is growing, cash flow will never stabilize. Cash flow killer number 3, poor expense control. This one is silent. You may not notice it, but your cash is bleeding through unnecessary staff, uncontrolled fuel spending, subscription you don't use, impulsive inventory restocking, frequent urgent purchases. Most businesses don't track daily expenses properly, so they can't stop the leak. How to know you have a cash flow problem? Let me give you quick warning signs. If any of this happens often, you have a cash flow issue. You borrow money to pay basic bills. You always delay salaries. You avoid suppliers' calls. Your debtors are growing every month. Your bank account is always empty despite daily activity. You panic when rent or tax deadlines come. If you see yourself here, don't worry. Cash flow problems are fixable, but only if you treat them like a system. The step-by-step cash flow system for small and medium enterprises. Now let's go into the solutions. This is the exact method I advise SME owners to use. Step 1, start tracking cash daily, not monthly. Most Nigerian SMEs wait till month end to calculate. That's too late. You must track cash daily. If it is simple Excel sheet, track daily sales receipt, daily expenses, daily cash balance, because what you don't track you can't control. Step 2, create a weekly cash flow forecast. This is what separates serious businesses from struggling ones. A cash flow forecast is simply asking how much money will enter next week, how much money must leave next week. Example forecast is expected inflow 500,000 from customer payments, 300,000 from sales, 200,000 from school fees, total inflow 1 million. Expected outflow: salaries 400,000, diesel 120,000, supplier 350,000, logistics 100,000, total outflow 970,000. Now you know you will survive. But if your outflow is bigger than inflow, you can adjust early instead of panicking later. This one habit will change your business. Number 3, fix your debtors system immediately. Your debtors are not your assets. In Nigeria, many debtors will delay you until you beg. Here is what to do. Rule number 1, set payment terms. Instead of pay whenever you can, use 7 days, 14 days, 30 days maximum. Rule number 2, collect deposit upfront. If you are a digital agency, engineering firm, or professional service provider, never start work without at least 60% upfront. Rule number 3, automate reminders. Every Monday, send invoices, payment reminders, follow-up messages. Rule number 4, reward early payments. Give a small discount or bonus for fast payments. The goal is simple: cash must enter your business faster. Step number 4, control expenses with a simple rule. Here is the rule I recommend: no spending should happen without being recorded. Even if it is 1,500 naira POS charge, 3,000 naira fare, 5,000 naira lunch for staff, record it. Because small expenses don't look dangerous until they become 250,000 monthly leakage. Also, classify your expenses into fixed expenses, rent, salaries; variable expenses, diesel, logistics; waste expenses, things you don't need. Your goal is to reduce waste. Step number 5, stop paying for inventory that won't move. This affects e-commerce, retail, and agri-businesses. Many business owners keep buying stock because goods are selling, but they buy the wrong goods. Your cash gets locked in slow-moving inventory, so you are rich in stock but broke in cash. Instead, use this method: track fast-moving products. Restock based on demand and not emotion. Set a reorder level. Inventory must rotate quickly. Step number 6, build a cash buffer, emergency fund of business. Every stable business has a buffer, even if it is small. I recommend save at least 5% to 10% of every inflow. This buffer helps you handle tax payments, rent, generator repairs, unexpected staff issues, inflation shocks. Nigeria is unpredictable. If you don't plan for shocks will finish you. Practical industry examples. Let's make this real. For clinics, if patients owe you, your cash flow suffers. Solution: deposit payment before treatment. Reduce credit treatment. Set weekly debtor follow-up. For schools, many schools collect fees gradually. Solution: structure installment plans. Track expected payments weekly. For car salary obligations, early. For real estate firms, you spend heavily before you collect. Solution: milestone payment structure. separate project cash from general cash. For e-commerce, sales may be good, but returns, logistics and ads eat your cash solution. Track ad spend, return on investment weekly. Stop boosting without performance monitoring. For agencies and professionals, you do work but clients delay payment. Solution: enforce 60% upfront, 40% before delivery. Stop delivering final files without full payment. The most important rule of cash flow. Let me summarize the most important cash flow rule. Your cash must enter faster than it leaves. That is it. Your business can survive low profit for some time, but it cannot survive negative cash flow. Cash flow is oxygen. No oxygen, no business. If you want to implement this easily, I've created a free bookkeeping and cash flow starter kit that helps you track sales and income, expenses, debtors and creditors, monthly profit dashboard, simple cash flow monitoring. It works in Excel and Google Sheets, and it comes with a step-by-step guide. To get it, check the link in the description. And if you want my team at Taisha Associates to help you set up a proper bookkeeping and cash flow system for your business, you can also reach out directly. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and share it with another business owner, because in Nigeria today, cash flow is not optional, it's survival. Download free starter kit. Subscribe for more SME finance tips. Thank you very much.